Hi guys, did you know that this month is observed as World Sustainability Month? Well, every year the last Wednesday of October is recognized or observed as World Sustainability Day. This day was created to spread awareness about sustainable practices and sustainability. So, let's take a look at some sustainable practices that our country has been following even before sustainability became a global buzzword. We Indians love our kitchen. So let's start with some sustainable practices we have been following in our kitchen. How many of us can relate to this? When we buy jams in plastic bottles or glass bottles, what we end up doing with the bottle is to reuse it in order to store our favorite dals, spices, or even for that matter, pickles. What this does to the packaging waste is it reduces packaging waste immensely. Now, as a child, you would have seen your grandmothers use earthen jars or steel cans in order to store your favorite foods. Well, we know that these materials are eco friendly, durable, reusable, and sustainable in the long run. Now, coming to the main aspect, which is the diet itself. India has the highest percentage of vegetarian population in the whole world, about 29%. This plant-based diet, which has been inherent part of our culture, is recognized as one of the most sustainable diets in the whole world. Then, I'm sure you remember festivals and marriages you attended as a child where meals were served on banana leaves. Banana leaves are natural and biodegradable. Today, following these footsteps, many companies are using banana leaves in order to produce various food products, including food packaging material. Last but not the least, let's talk about the waste management aspect itself. I grew up in a village where we never had people come and collect our trash. So, what was done in order to manage the wet waste? We had a compost pit dug inside the compound where all the wet waste used to go after cooking or eating. Moreover, excess vegetable or fruit peels were used as manure for nurturing the home garden that used to grow. This meant we knew the art of managing waste sustainably and also practice zero waste cooking. So, in today's context, when the whole world is talking about sustainable practices, let's remember our country has been living these practices for generations. If you know of any other such sustainability practices that has been followed for ages, please let me know in the comment. Thank you.